If you don't have a repairman, then try and fix it yourself. Let's get into that, so stay tuned. Hi, it's Adie Bow here, and today we're going to be doing fixing the remote. Let's get into the first idea that you can fix your remote with. First idea. The first idea is you should turn your remote around because we're going to take the batteries out. They already are out. Well, if this happens, just put them back in. So, if step number 1 didn't work, let's try step number 2. The step number 2 is whack it until you're the boss. I'm the boss of you. That's better, I think. Step number 3, hit it with a hammer. So, if that didn't work, which it probably didn't, step number 4, just order a new one.